Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Muhammad Shafi Bhatt, lecturer botany, Boys Higher Secondary School, Kalamabad. And my today's lecture is for class 12 students. And our topic today is events in sexual reproduction. As you know, sexual reproduction involves formation of male and female gametes, either by the same individual or by different individuals of the opposite sex. The gametes fuse to form the zygote, which develops to form the new organism. The sexual reproduction is an elaborate, complex, and slow process as compared to asexual reproduction. Because of the fusion of male and female gametes, sexual reproduction results in offsprings that are not identical to the parents or amongst themselves. Here, the variations are created which are very important for the survival of the futuristic generations and the evolutionary trend. Now, all sexually reproducing organisms exhibit a remarkable similarity in events and processes, even though the structures associated with sexual reproduction are very different. This means that the sexually reproducing organisms, either plants or animals, for the process of sexual reproduction use the structures which are altogether different. But a regular sequence is followed in the events. The events which take place during the process of sexual reproduction, they follow a regular pattern. A sexual reproduction is characterized by fusion, that is fertilization of male and female gametes, the formation of zygote and embryogenesis. The events are grouped into three distinct stages: the pre-fertilization events, fertilization, and post-fertilization events. And today we will discuss the pre-fertilization events in a bit of detail. Two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Gametogenesis refers to the process of formation of two types of gametes, male and female gametes. Gametes are haploid cells and may be homogametes, that is isogametes. As in some algae, gametes are similar, that is, they are morphologically identical. Or the gametes may be heterogametes. In majority of sexually reproducing organisms, gametes produced are morphologically different, and the male gamete is called the enterozoid or sperm, and the female gamete egg or ovum. Gametes are haploid, though the parent plant body from which they are arise may be haploid or diploid. Haploid, you must be knowing, that is with half the number of chromosomes. A haploid parent produces gametes by mitotic division. Many organisms belonging to Monera, fungi, algae, and bryophytes have haploid plant body and thus produce their gametes mitotically. But most of the higher organisms belonging to pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, and most of the animals, including humans, have diploid parental body. Hence, production of gametes involves meiosis, the reduction division in the organisms which are diploid. The reduction division results in the formation of gametes which are haploid, that is, here the chromosome number is reduced to half. Diploid organisms produce specialized cells, meiocytes, also called as gamete mother cell, which undergo meiosis. Only one set of chromosomes gets incorporated into each gamete. Here, for example, here are listed some examples with 2n and n number of chromosomes. 2n is the diploid number, that is the number of chromosomes present in meiocytes, and n is the haploid number of chromosomes present in the gametes. The first example quoted here is the apple, having 34 diploid number of chromosomes and 17 chromosomes in each gamete. Rice, 24 diploid number and 12 haploid number of chromosomes. Maize have 20 diploid number and 10 haploid number of chromosomes. Potato, 48 diploid number and 24 haploid number. Human beings have 46 chromosomes in their diploid cells and 23 chromosomes in the gametes. And butterfly, of course, has 380 chromosomes in the diploid cells and 190 chromosomes is the haploid number of chromosomes that is present in the gametes of butterflies. This chromosome number is a trademark for a particular species, and for a particular species the chromosome number is definite and it varies from few to many, as you have seen in the examples above. From the above examples, it is obvious that the number of chromosomes in gametes, that's n, is exactly half the number of chromosomes 2n found in the meiocytes. Thanks. This is all for today, and we will follow the second event, that is fertilization and post-fertilization events, in the next class, inshallah. Thanks.